Hey, it's Rob from the Door Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to measure a cabinet that you'd like to add doors to. So first thing we want to do is measure our width. So our cabinet is 16. We'd minus 1/8 of an inch to give us the width of our door. So our door would be 15 7/8 wide. Then we'll measure our height to the center of the rail. So we'd have 22 9/16. And we'd minus 1/16 of an inch of clearance for our door. So we'd have 22 1/2 as our height. Next thing we want to do is measure the width for our drawer front on top. So same thing. The cabinet's 16 wide, so we're going to minus 1/8 of an inch for the drawer front, so we'd be 15 7/8 wide. And then for the height, we'll measure again to the center of the rail, and we have 7 11/16. And for this, we're going to minus 1/4 inch for clearance, so we'd be down to 7 7/16 for our height. Another thing I'd like to add, if your cabinet was going to have 2 doors, you would take your overall width, 16, divide that in half, so you'd have 8 inches, and then minus 1/8 of an inch off of each door. So each door would become 7 7/8 wide. And that's how you measure a cabinet for new doors.